Hi! We've learned that one of the best ways to stop the spread of germs is to cover your mouth and nose using a mask. Considering that masks are scarce during this time, we'd like to show you a couple ways to make masks at home using just a few items around your house. First, I'm going to show you how to make a quick cut t-shirt face covering that doesn't involve any sewing. For this, you're going to need a t-shirt, a pair of scissors, and a ruler is optional. Once you've gathered all your materials, lay your t-shirt out on a flat surface. Starting from the bottom of the shirt, measure or guesstimate about 7 inches high and cut. This cut will span the entire width of the shirt. Once you're finished cutting, you'll be left with just the bottom of the shirt. It's about 7 inches in height. You can discard the rest of the shirt. Now you may be thinking, how will this ever turn into a mask? Well, 1 second. Now, with the piece that you have, you're going to measure about 6 to 7 inches in from either the left or right side. And you're going to cut a rectangle out of the fabric. So that means you're going to cut a rectangle. Just a couple tips. Your cut does not have to be perfect. And it's also best to use a shirt that's currently the size that you wear, as it is more likely to fit around your face. Now that you have your fabric with the cutout in it, it's time to make the strings for our mask. You can kind of already see it together. My mask is quite large. It may wrap around my head twice, but you get it. So you will have this piece left. You're simply going to cut. And once you cut those ends open, my end was already open at the bottom here, you have your mask. This is just a really jumbo one. My shirt happened to have some slits in it already. So I made it a big. What am I supposed to do? Well, there is hope. I am going to cut at the seam of the shirt. That leaves me with half of a tie. The other side. Just kind of measure my face a bit to see what's needed. And cut out another rectangle. Different things them happening, schemes and packaging. The other side is a bit long, so I don't need too much on this end. We're thinking about safety, not fashion. And here we are. And now I actually have the ability to make 2 masks. And the bottom. And there you have it. Stop the spread.